Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Real Estate Tip Tuesday with our very favorite lender, Ryan. Hello, Ryan. Welcome.
Hello, Katie. Hello, everyone. Good to be back.
Yes, today I'm really excited to talk about this topic because this could be really, really cool, Ryan. I will let you dive right into it. Let's get into portable mortgages.
Yeah, this is an exciting topic. The Federal Housing Finance Agency, it's FHFA for short. The director, Bill Pulte, has been really announcing possible options to help with home affordability problem that we're having in America now. We discussed on a recent Tip Tuesday, they announced maybe having a 50-year mortgage. So that's something that's been brought up. It hasn't been really passed or anything yet, but it's just an idea. And another possible program that's been brought up is portable mortgages. And it's been on the news quite a bit, and I've been getting a lot of questions about it, so I'm glad we're addressing it here. And portable mortgages, this would allow homeowners to transfer their existing mortgage, including their current interest rate and term, from their current home to a new property when they move. It's kind of similar to what we do. It is, yeah. Canada has this. I know the UK has it. It's just something that's never really been possible in America. So this would be a great option for homeowners who took out a loan in 2020 and 2021 and have rates in the 2s and 3s and haven't wanted to move, obviously, because rates have been increasing since then. So, being able to keep that rate and transfer to home is very enticing. But one of the main drawbacks with this option is similar to assuming a loan, which is currently available. I know we chatted about it before, and it's available on FHA and VA loans. It's where you assume the seller's loan, but the portable mortgage is when you bring your current loan with you. So it's a little bit different, but with both options, you would have to bring in the difference between the current mortgage and the new home price. So let's say you have a mortgage for $300,000 and it's portable. That law rolls out, and you could do that with it. And if you want to upgrade and purchase an $800,000 home, you would need to make up that $500,000 difference, either in down payment or a second mortgage. And those could have higher rates that could kind of offset the benefit of having a portable mortgage. So that's kind of one thing that's been discussed. But one of the major roadblocks to this idea is that really, it's the way that but the American housing market is really backed. It's backed by mortgage-backed securities. And that's how the entire mortgage market is tied to, is really the collateral of the property being financed. So if this could be moved, it would really require significant changes, to the housing finance industry. So that's one thing that people are concerned about, because it would kind of take a big overhaul and change everything. So that could take some time. But, just like the 50-year mortgage, a portable mortgage, it's a creative idea. And it shows that FHFA is, thinking outside of the box to really help with home affordability. And, if this doesn't work out, I'm sure there's going to be other announcements next year. So yeah, something to be on the lookout for.
Could be pretty cool for the right scenario.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, thank you again, Ryan. I so appreciate you bringing all of this new news to the table so that our audience feels like, they understand what's going on. They're up to speed with what is being presented out there, because there are a lot of conversations about home ownership, affordability, and that kind of thing. We're having those conversations every day, and I'm sure that you are too.
Oh, we are. Yeah. And we're always going to be here to report it, because I know, whenever something comes up, it's always making the news, and we're going to be the first one to, dig in deep and let you know exactly what to expect.
Heck yeah, that's what we're all about over here. Educate, 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 guide, guide, guide. That's what we do. And if you have worked with either one of us, or probably both of us, if you've worked with one of us, then you know that is what we stand for and what we do here. So thanks so much, Ryan. Thanks to you all out there. And if you want to catch any of our previous episodes, we have been doing Real Estate Tip Tuesday for a couple of years now. So if you want to check out any of our previous episodes or any of our other podcasts, then on our YouTube channel, which the QR code here appears above our heads, and our handle is at Team EvoAZ. Scroll down just a little ways on the homepage and you will see the Real Estate Tip Tuesday playlist. If you prefer podcast style, maybe you rather listen in your ears, then hop on over to your favorite podcast platform and do a quick search for Arizona Real Estate Radio. There you will find us as well. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, Katie. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Looking for the right home loan can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Hi, I'm Ryan Gilliam. An Arizona native with 20 years of experience helping families find the best mortgage solution for their needs. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or refinancing, I make the process simple, stress-free, and tailored just for you. I help you access better rates, offer guidance tailored to your goals, and make the mortgage approval process easier every step of the way. Your best mortgage starts with the right partner. Let's make your home goals happen.